How to allow or deny alarm and reminders permissions on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, click on this three dot icon and you will see second option is Special Access. Click on Special Access. After click on Special Access, you will see Alarm and Reminders. You will see Alarm and Reminder is here. Click on Alarm and Reminders. So if you want to allow or deny alarm and reminders permissions, so if you want to allow alarm and reminder app, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see alarm and reminder app is allowed. If you want to deny alarm and reminder, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see alarm and reminder is deny. You will allow or deny alarm and reminder from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can allow or deny alarm and reminders permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.